Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my dear students, and I hope that you all will be fine and enjoying good health. And today we are going to start chapter number 20, which is achieving quality production. And today we will discuss about quality and different types of methods by which we can attain quality. So, first of all, what is quality? Quality basically means to produce a good or a service which meets customers' expectations. But normally, when the word quality comes into our mind, so we assume that a quality product is always expensive, it has very attractive features, it has a long life, but actually quality has different point of view for different people. Like for consumer the point of view of quality is different, and for producer quality is something else. And so let's see that what is quality. Quality is one of the key decisions in operations in today's highly competitive global market, because nowadays the competition is too high. And if we are not providing a quality product to the consumers, so they have a lot of choice into the market. They can buy even from the local market. They can buy even the product from the international market through internet, through online marketing, like e-commerce, as we can buy the goods from the Amazon, which sell goods to the whole world, to the whole globe. So it's very important for the producers to provide a quality product if they want to retain into the market. Then it is vital to increase profits, reduce cost, and improve customer satisfaction. These are the three main things that producers are looking for. The first one is increasing profits. Like without profit, they cannot survive, they cannot run their business. So reducing cost is important for them, and at the same time satisfying customer is also very important. So they try to reduce their cost by using different methods, as we discussed in the previous chapter, when we use lean production to cover up, to reduce our cost and to improve our efficiency. So quality is a very difficult term to define, as it can mean different things to different people. Just like for consumer, quantity provided for price paid is quality. Like when the quantity is high, when they are paying low, it would be quality for them. Then reliability or lifetime of product, then extent to which product service satisfies requirements, for example the appearance or the technicality or the features of the product. So these are the things which a consumer is looking for in a product. But a producer, for a producer, when a product meeting exact the specifications, like the product that they have made is just according to the expectations or the specifications, then it would be a quality product. And when highly skilled workforce is used to produce the product, and when there are no complaints from the customer sides, then it would be called a quality product in the eyes of producer. And what are the factors that are considered when mm, when we are going to use some quality procedures? So we consider the time, that less time must be used to produce the product, and the technology must be accurate. The quality of supplies of materials and components means the raw material must be good, the workforce must be having appropriate skills, and the system of monitoring and controlling must be there. Like we must check the quality at each and every stage, and even after the completion of the product. Then ability to meet delivery deadlines. So completing the product, finishing or making the product in time is also the part of the quality. And after sales services is also called quality. So that is why the firms that are having good brand names, so they easily accept the purchases returns, and they easily return the good or repair the good. So this is also called quality. So these are the factors that are usually used to maintain the quality levels or to assure the quality procedures into the production. Okay, now there are two type of techniques which are used to attain quality. The first one is quality control. Okay, but before moving towards the methods of the quality, let me tell you that why quality products are important for the business and how they help the business. So first of all, they establish the brand image into the of the business if we are providing quality product. And secondly, they build brand loyalty and they maintain a good reputation of the business, and due to which our increase there is an increase in the sales. And if we are providing a quality product, so we are able to attract the new customers as well. So these are the benefits of a quality. So here there are two techniques that are used normally to attain the quality. The first one is quality control and the other one is quality assurance. So what are they? Let's see. Quality control is the checking for quality at the end of the production process. Whether it is the production of a product or a service, it uses quality inspectors as a way of finding any faults. It means that we check the product or the service after its completion. Like when a complete product is made, at the end we hire some inspectors and we pay them a salary for that job, and they inspect the goods and they exclude the faulty goods aside. So this method is called a inspection method, or we call it quality control. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of quality control? So first of all, the advantage is that they try to eliminate faults or errors before the customer receives the product or service. Before, at the end of the making the product, we inspect these goods and the faulty products are removed from the goods which are going to the market, so only the good or the better quality products reaches to the market. Another advantage is that less training is required for the workers as inspectors are employed to check quality. So the production workers, they are not involved in quality control because and no training is given to them to maintain the quality. They just keep on producing the maximum goods, and at the end the inspectors check the goods and they check the quality, and they make that process an inspection process. But this process is having some drawbacks. So what are they? It is an expensive method as inspectors need to be paid to check the product or service. So we have to pay them salary, then identifies faulty products but does not find way the fault has occurred, and therefore is difficult to solve the problems. So because the inspectors are inspecting the faulty goods at the end, they are trying to find the faults at the end, so it's difficult to find out that where the problem occur and how we can solve it. Then another disadvantage is that high cost if products have to be scrapped or reworked or service repeated, because the fault is identified, the problem is identified at the end after the completion. So the material will become scrapped, or if it is a product which is not a perishable one, or it can be reworked, but it will increase the cost for the business. Okay, the next method is quality assurance. So, few firms use quality assurance. It is the checking for quality standards throughout the production process by employees, whether it is the production of a process, product, or a service. So, quality assurance is the checking for quality standards throughout the production process by employees. Like in quality control, employees were not involved, and the quality was checked or either inspected at the end of the completion of the product. But here in quality assurance, it is the responsibility of each and every employee to check the quality standards at each and every stage, whether it is the production of a product or a service. So they keep on checking the quality at every stage. So, what are the advantage for using quality assurance? That it tries to eliminate faults or errors at the stages of production before passing on to the next stage. And there are fewer customer complaints because the products that are made are of high quality, because quality is maintained at every level, even from buying of the raw material to converting it to the finished good. Every stage involves quality. So quality is assured rather than quality is controlled. So reduced cost if products do not have to be scrapped or reworked or service repeated. So in case of quality assurance, we guarantee that our products would be having zero defects, because if there was problem with the raw material, so at first level of production, that product would be eliminated from the production process. It will not go to the next stage. And if the problem occurs at the next stage, that product will be removed from the production process and it will not go to the third stage. So it means it assures the guarantee of the quality of the product. So what are the drawbacks? It is expensive to train employees to check the quality of their own work at each stage of production. So it is costly because we have to make workers trained that how they will check the product and what method they have to follow while they are producing, and how every stage will involve checking. So it would be an expensive procedure. Then it relies on employees being committed to maintaining the standards set. Like if the workers they are not committed, if they are not devoted, if they are not motivated, so they will not follow the rules. They will pretend that they are following the quality assurance techniques, but in fact if they are not, so it may give rise to the faulty products, and which will create a bad image for our business, because we are using quality assurance, not control. We have not hired any inspector who is going to check the products at the end. We will assume that all the products that have been made, they are of quality products, and they will go into the market and they can create a negative image of our business. Okay, so I hope that quality control and quality assurance, both concepts are clear to you. Again, I'm going to revise that quality control is a procedure in which we check the quality at the end of the production process, while quality assurance, it is the checking of quality standards throughout the production process. Okay, so here is an activity 20.1, and you are supposed to solve this activity, and you have to send this activity after solving in the group.